Hey guys, so you decide to buy this package right here. Comes with 15 color bands and also a 4-pack screen protector for the Xiaomi Band 5. So it comes in a nice little package like this. All lined up pretty nice. So let's check it out. Okay, comes this little package right here, which it has your screen protectors. Okay, it comes with the dust absorbers and the wipes. So you will get 4, and also you will get 4 screen protectors. It's plastic, but it looks it looks very nice. So you get 4 of these and 4 alcohol wipes and dries, and also the dust absorbers. And now the bands. Gets all different color bands, so the price is not bad. Okay, start off with the kinda aqua color. Look at that. It does clips. Very nice. So now we're going to black. Same thing. Orange. Blue. Yellow. Light pink. Like a sky blue, baby blue. A white one. Very nice. Red. Purple. Like a lime green. A brown. Blue. Greenish. And a darker pink. Very nice. Love that you have a variety of colors. And once you put it will look just like this. Very, very nice. Love it. Well, just wanted to show you what it looks like and how they come. It is awesome if you're looking for a variety of bands. Can't go wrong. Any color you need, you have. You can match it with any wardrobe. It's up to you. Beautiful. That's it.